Okay, we're gonna take this Thule cargo basket and put it on top of the Yukon here. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is move my crossbars. If you see, they're a little far back and I want it to come up a little closer to the front rail. So I'll show you what we need to do here. Let's open up the door. Okay, so what we can do is pull the little handle right here on each side, and then we can slide up the rail. And so I'm gonna bring it basically right here behind the sunroof. Okay, so you just pull the little handle, it starts sliding. I need to go to the other side though, get them both going the same time. Let's walk around real quick. Open up the door here. Okay, got this one going. It's gonna be a little time consuming because one's gonna slide and the other one's gonna stick. So I just have to go back and forth until I get it all the way. All right, I got that crossbar pulled up to where I want it, almost all the way to the front. And now I'm gonna have to bring this other one up. But first, I'm gonna bring the rack up there, rest it on top of that bar, and then we'll see where I need to bring the rear crossbar to. So let's lift this thing up there and just set it up on the roof. Okay, we've got that sitting up here on this front rail. We need to bring the rear rail over here, about to right here, and then we'll set it on there so we can start adjusting the alignment side to side and all that for the rack. The rack is now roughly where I want it to be, so I'm gonna go get the little wing nuts and the brackets and start getting this thing tightened down. I'm gonna slide it into position, but I'll get those brackets on there so it doesn't come off of the crossbars. So that should help me out when I do my adjustment. The rack is sitting up there pretty much where I want it to be, but I can tell, if I zoom in, I'm a little close on this side and a little further away on that one. So I'm gonna kind of fine tune it. Yeah, this side right here is probably only like an inch away from the end of the crossbar, where this one's probably about 5 or 6 inches. So I'm just gonna move this side over a little bit until I can get to where I really want it to be. Well, by no means are my measurements exact, but the eyeball test says that I have it where I want it to be. So now I'm just gonna go to all these little wing nuts, tighten them up, and then I'll get the little access cover thing that goes over top of it, and we should be good to go. Well, there you have it. The rack is installed. Probably only took me about 20 minutes to do this whole thing, and that included filming everything so people could see what I was doing. I think it looks good up there, but more importantly, it's gonna hold stuff up there so we can get some much needed cargo space inside the Yukon. Anyway, I hope this helped you out. You can do it, super easy. Just take your time, you'll get it done in no time. You guys have a good one. Talk to you later.